Hello Junior 5 students, how are you? Welcome in your science class with me, Miss Shaimaa Hamdy Kassem, and your channel, Big Sister channel. As now we will start lesson 1, activity 2, tree needs. Okay, last time we discussed the plant needs, and as any living organism, the plant needs food and water. Yes, and we know an information last time that the plant makes its own food. Yes, okay, so plant needs food and water as well as human to grow and survive. So the plant looks like other living organisms need water, as you see here. Also, as human and animal get food to get energy, also the plant needs food to get energy. Okay, so and to grow and survive. Okay, so if you want to plant a tree, okay, we should provide the seed with the plant needs. Yes, as we put the seeds in the soil and then provide these seeds with the plant needs. Can you tell me the plant needs? You remember them? Yes, water, sunlight, and air. Yes, so we should provide this seed with water, sunlight, and air to grow and survive. Yes, as it begins to grow from seed to form seedling. Yes, this very small plant that comes from the seed called seedling. Okay, then it will continue growing to form a young plant. Yes, small plant or small tree, then it will grow to form what? Yes, mature tree. Okay, the big tree that we see in our streets or gardens. Okay, so the mature tree starts from the seed, as we provide these seeds with the plant needs, which are the water, sunlight, and air. Yes, okay, planting a tree happens by depending on resources. So we have some resources, okay, which are the basic needs, okay, as water, air, especially the carbon dioxide from the air, okay, sunlight. Why? To make its own food. So the plant can make its own food, so it can get energy, grow, and survive. Okay, and we know that most living organisms depend on each other to get energy and to grow and survive, not like the plant. The plant makes its own food. So if you want here to circle the items that plant needs to grow and survive, we have here soil, air, perfume, sunlight, meat, and water. So yes, it's obvious that the plant needs what? Soil, air, sunlight, water, the items that I circled, and it doesn't need perfume or meat. Yes, why? It doesn't need meat because plant can make its own food. So now we will go to activity 3. Okay, as we have here, we know that plants and animals need some resources to live and grow. Resources means, we mentioned that resources means basic needs, materials, essentials. Okay, so what are the resources that the plant need? Yes, water, sunlight, nutrients, and soil, and carbon dioxide. Okay, so these are the resources that help plants to live and survive. Okay, we know that water and air are basic needs for the plants, animals, and human. But here you must know that the plant needs the carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, carbon dioxide is one of the gases that found in the air. Okay, so here, as you see, the word carbon dioxide is very easy to read and write, as we have k a r, car, b o n, bun, carbon. Then we have dioxide. We can divide it into 3 syllables. Okay, so we have d, I. Here I make the long sound for the letter I, looks like its name. And then we have oxy, oxy. Here also I pronounce as long sound for the letter I, so it's I, di, oxide, d. We know that the E at the end of most words in English doesn't pronounce. Okay, so we have here the word carbon dioxide. Okay, as you see, human needs to eat to get energy, to gain energy, and nutrients. Okay, nutrients, yes, that helps them to live and grow. Do you remember the word nutrients? When the food is broken down inside our bodies, so it gives us nutrients like vitamins, like proteins, yes, sugars. Okay, so human and animal, as we see, eat food to gain energy and nutrients that help them live and grow. So what about the plants? How do they get the nutrients? Yes, they get the nutrients from the soil. Okay, there are nutrients in the soil, and they get these nutrients from the soil and make their own food. Okay, through a process called what? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, we can divide this word into 5 syllables. Okay, as we have, we know ph pronounced as f. Okay, so photo. Then we have sin. Here the y pronounced as short sound. Okay, looks like e. And then we have the. Then we have sis. Okay, photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Okay, so this photosynthesis process takes a place, happens in the leaves. Okay, so the plant makes its own food. You know what is the food for the plants? Is a type of sugar. Okay, so the plant food is a type of sugar that gives the plant energy to grow. Okay, so the plant make their own food in the leaves by the process called what? Yes, photosynthesis. Okay, as a plant parts work together to make its own food. How? The roots of the plant absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Okay, so the roots absorb nutrients and water from the soil. And you know the stem, yes, this is the stem, carries the nutrients and water from the roots to the leaves. Okay, so this stem carries the nutrients and water from the roots to the leaves. And then, as we know, the leaves use what? Yes, these nutrients, water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide from air, and make their own food through the process what? Yes, photosynthesis. Okay, With this information, we end our lesson today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next video, and goodbye.